Avicanna is a Canadian-based biopharmaceutical company focused on cannabinoid-based products. We target the cosmetic, medical, and pharmaceutical sectors, and we have leverage off of our vertical integration, which includes cultivation, extraction, formulation development, preclinical and clinical development to bring various products into various markets. This infrastructure that we have developed includes what we believe is an industry-leading platform for scientific and evidence-based approach to products. In this process, we've developed and optimized these products that are treating various medical conditions, comorbidities, and actually providing products to the consumer markets such as cosmetics as well.
As a biopharmaceutical company, of course, we follow traditional drug development and clinical development pathways. However, in parallel to that, we are able to generate revenue from our cosmetics and our medical cannabis products in various markets. These represent diversified, scalable, and high-margin revenue streams for the company.
Over the past 5 years, Avicanna has developed this model where we've created novel formulations, optimized those formulations, developed analytical and bioanalytical methodologies, and as well as preclinical models that are now being launched into our partnerships along various universities and hospitals. This provided us with intellectual property and as well as commercial products that are now launched in several markets around the world.
Our dedication to research and quality has allowed us to create world-class partnerships with leading Canadian academic research institutions, as well as global pharmaceutical and agricultural companies.
Our first product lines that we brought to the market are called PURA, which are dermacosmetic products that are commercial in various markets, including Colombia, and are commercializing in major markets such as Canada and the United States this year. PURA is a combination of CBD, which is a non-psychoactive cannabinoid that's derived from hemp, in synergy with other natural excipients to provide specific benefits to the skin. PURA is the only line of cosmetic products that we know of today with cannabinoids that have completed human clinical trials and have had successful results at the end of those trials, which is now leveraged for marketing and education purposes.
Another example of what our research and development platform has done is develop that full formulary of Rho Phyto, which is now launched across various markets. Rho Phyto is designed with different delivery forms such as oral drops, sublingual sprays, and as well as topicals that address a various range of indications and as well as their related comorbidities or symptom clusters.
Rho Phyto is Avicanna's medical cannabis line. Today, these products are commercialized in Canada. They're offered in Colombia under the magisterial model, and they are commercializing in various other markets in which the company is successfully generating revenue, but also generating valuable real-world evidence around the products and their potential efficacy in different medical conditions.
Our approach to Rho Phyto has been to design a various range of cannabinoid ratios and as well as delivery forms to address a various range of conditions that are not specific to primary indications, but to those comorbidities or symptom clusters that are often associated with many different therapeutic indications. Such comorbidities or symptom clusters include pain, sleep, anxiety, and depression. In addition to that, we've developed many pharmaceutical products and as well as have been able to license a lot of our intellectual properties into various markets.
What sets us apart from our competitors in those markets is, again, we come back to the scientific platform. You would be hard-pressed to find any other company that can push out the same products, and we are including tablets, capsules, sublingual sprays, oral tinctures that come with preclinical and clinical evidence behind them.
We set out in 2015 to develop cannabis-based or cannabinoid-based pharmaceutical drugs, and we've stuck to that vision. In the process, of course, we've learned that we can commercialize some of these products under the cosmetic categories and under medical categories. But we've stayed true to that vision, and we have a pipeline of clinical development and registration of drugs that are now in the final phases. This includes products that will be utilized for neurological disorders, including epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's. Other drugs that are more focused on comorbidities, including pain, sleep, and anxiety. And these are the products that we expect that we can register in 2021 in some of the markets in South America, while we clinically develop the rest of these drugs in indication-specific platforms such as epidermolysis bullosa and neuropathic pain for later 2022. Today, our subsidiaries in Colombia are not only vertically integrated in producing active pharmaceutical ingredients for our medical and pharmaceutical needs, but we are actually producing feminized seeds and active pharmaceutical ingredients for some of our partner companies. And we've been successful in making exports of those raw materials globally. So this is another division that's part of the Avicanna vision as a vertically integrated company, but it is its own business center and its own profit center as well.
At this stage in our growth, Avicanna is a de-risked investment because we've already overcome the high regulatory barriers that come with registering our products for sale in several countries, and that includes both medical cannabis and cosmetics. The advantage that we have operating in the cannabinoid industry, the cannabis industry, is that unlike traditional pharma, we have the unique ability and opportunity to be able to commercialize the other product segments to be able to earn revenue in parallel to our clinical development plans. We've built a world-class scientific platform. We have created a vertically integrated supply chain, and we have taken products from the lab and we have commercialized them in several markets globally. This positions us to be at the vanguard of the next phase of growth of the cannabis industry.